We are going to Brooker Creek Preserve today. We are going to go do some awesome hikes. This area is almost 9,000 acres of natural wildlife preserve in the north part of our county. Incredible area, beautiful hike, and we just learned that it's actually the largest natural area in our entire county without any development.
It has different areas with different types of terrain. There's like marshy area, and there's a really woody area, and there's like a part that has all these big ferns, and then there's the creek itself, which is really cool and has a lot of gators and...
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. A lot of wildlife in the area.
We just saw what kind of tortoise? A gopher tortoise?
We saw a gopher tortoise.
We saw a couple of them. Oh, there's really great wildlife here. We do tend to see some good birds. Chad always finds really great mushrooms here. Well, okay, we've only been here once, but he found lots of great mushrooms when we
really
came
cool ones last time.
So we're hoping that it's good and that we'll be able to access all of it today.
Yeah. They have the best bathrooms here. Did we mention how hot it is today in the middle of summer Florida?
We're not from Florida, so we don't understand how hot it gets in Florida.
Oh, look how cool this is. Finished up our hike. Unfortunately, not all the trails were open today.
It said hazardous
conditions.
Hazardous conditions.
I think there might have been muddy. But that's all right. We got to go do a really good trail. It probably would have been way too hot to do a whole 4-mile loop anyways.
Yeah, we only did one of the trails, I feel like, or maybe two.
Yeah, it's like one of the smallest loops that we could do. That was okay. It was fun. Good to get out. Didn't see a lot of wildlife, though. We did see a couple woodpeckers.
Yeah, and gopher tortoises.
We saw like 5 gopher tortoises.
That's cool.
Good hike. If you're in North Pinellas,
definitely check it out.
Incredible spot to go to. There's another one.
Oh my god, you just scared the crap out of me.
They're everywhere out here. Brooker Creek.
Don't do that again.